Hey there, Saber fans. Levi here, and today we're taking a look at the Lost Soul. Really cool Saber from your favorite video game this year, Jedi Survivor. I really love this Saber. It's got a really good heft. I mean, it's really heavy, so it feels like really premium, nice in the hand. So this is gonna be a quick Saber-specific crash course on everything you need to know about this Saber, everything you want to do. So let's go ahead and jump right in. It comes apart right here in the middle. Just screws apart. Inside you'll find the chassis. These are PLA printed chassis. They've got a removable battery, a Profi board, and this is where our kill switch is. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch that on right now.
The order is gone and I am free.
And there's Dagan. So putting this in is a little bit, there's a little bit of a trick to it. You might notice there's a couple of windows here. You're going to use these windows to align the chassis as you put it in. So I like to use this ridge with these dots here. It makes for a good, point to align with. So I'm going to try to find these dots in this window. You can see that I have them aligned to have it all the way in. I'm going to give it a little pinch here. Try to pinch the buttons from both sides to hold the chassis in place. And I'm going to go ahead and screw this in. So you want to look in the window and see that the dots are still aligned. If they are, then your buttons should be nice and aligned. We've got two buttons, one on each side here. A little warning, it is quite easy if you grip the Saber up high to accidentally get into the volume menu. So I'm going to just show you how to get into this volume menu, how to get out of it, so that if it happens to you, you know what to do. If you press two buttons at the same time,
3.38 volts.
Sorry, if you hold it, it does that. If you do a quick press, you hear that beep, right? That means you're going to be in volume mode now. If you want to get out of volume mode, you just have to repeat the same process. You hold one button, press the other one, you hear a second beep, and now you've left volume mode. If you want to use volume mode, one of the buttons raises the volume, the other one lowers the volume. Once you get to the volume you want, like I said, you hold one and tap the other. That brings you in and out. The blade retention screw is also hidden away up here, so I'd like to point that out too. But other than that, that's all the Saber specific knowledge that you need to use this really cool Saber. Again, one of my favorite games of the year. Super cool Saber. Feels super premium. And thanks for joining me today. I'll catch you guys in the next one.